Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make soft, fluffy, and delicious homemade donuts from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the dough. In a clean bowl, add your warm milk, sugar, and yeast. Stir gently and allow it to rest for a few minutes until it becomes foamy. This means the yeast is active and ready. Step 2. Mix the ingredients. Now add melted butter, eggs, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together, then gradually add the flour. Stir until a soft dough begins to form. Step 3. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough onto a floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes. The dough should be smooth, elastic, and slightly sticky.
Step 4. Let the dough rise. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl and cover it. Allow it to rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it doubles in size.
Step 5. Shape the donuts. Once risen, gently punch down the dough. Roll it out and cut into donut shapes using a cutter or bottle cap. Place the donuts on a tray and let them rest for another 15 minutes. Step 6. Fry the donuts. Heat oil on medium heat. Carefully fry the donuts, turning them until they are golden brown on both sides. Avoid high heat so they cook evenly without burning. Step 7. Coat and serve. Remove the donuts and place them on paper towels to drain excess oil. You can coat them with sugar, glaze, or chocolate, whatever you like. And that's how you make delicious homemade donuts. Soft, fluffy, and absolutely irresistible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.